Hi, it's Tim. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 2001 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we have the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, all the loop clamps, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, the proper rear sump oil pan for the 2001 Mustang, oil stick and tube, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, all the red wires on there, all the wire markers set in place. It's real nice ball milled valve covers with the matching air cleaner. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. Every engine is live run, fully tested for 45 minutes. I'll set up the Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen for you. All the settings will be set. The complete engine will be completely tuned and dialed in, ready to go, plug and play. I'll set the ignition timing. Completely fully tested, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the customer's 4R70W transmission and the 347 Ford balance. Manifold vacuum fittings are hooked up for easy vacuum hookups if needed. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there. We have this real nice Raptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set, ready to go. So again, this is our 347 Ford 425 horsepower Holley Sniper fuel injection turnkey package engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.